So a lot of people will ask, I've seen it commonly on social media, how to insert an Optragate. Optragate is just like a cheek retractor, lip retractor. So the first thing I do is I coat the patient's lips with Vaseline, and then I take this. These tabs go down, okay? It doesn't really matter, but really they are supposed to go down. And I hold it like this. I make sure it's all stretched apart because they tend to stick together. And now I hold it like this, grab my air water, and I'm going to spray air water. Make a little bit of a mess, but it'll slide in better. So now the trick is to hold it so I can compress the inner ring and the outer ring. Let's go down here. And so now I'm just going to kind of hold this cheek out. I'm going to insert one side or the other. You're left-handed, obviously would be doing, I'm left-handed. You might be doing it the opposite if you're right-handed. And just slide it in there. And now it goes behind the lower teeth, so I can grab the lip and then tuck it under. It goes behind the upper teeth, and then I can grab the lip and tuck it under. And now it's in position. And actually, I had just inserted a minute ago before I recorded this video, and her lips had fresh Vaseline. That was actually harder because some of it wiped off. But as you see, we've got good retraction. Everything's secure, not going to slide around, and we're good to go. So, all right, so that's about it. It should stay in there. They tend to move, but yeah, pretty safe and pretty secure, and you can see the good retraction we've got. So hopefully that helps.